friends. My name is Dr. Indira Priyadarshini Pradhan. I am Assistant Professor IMS Ghaziabad University Course Campus. So today we are going to discuss a very interesting legislative law, that is maternity law. So maternity laws are essential component of labor legislation that designed to protect the right and the well-being of pregnant employee. So maternity law is an essential aspect of employment law that provide protection and right for pregnant employee and the new parents. It encompasses with the various regulation including maternity leave entitlement, paternity leave, workplace accommodation, discrimination and harassment protection and support to the working parents. Because in an organization, the employees are the most valued assets. So we have to keep a well-being, or we have to take care of our employee when they need the organization's support. That ultimately creates a good working culture. So what are the right and protection for pregnant employees an employee or an employer can do? First, can give the equal treatment. That means the pregnant employees are entitled to fair treatment and protection against discrimination in the workplace. Because if they are not equally treated, then they feel left out. That keeps a bad impact on their mental health as well, and ultimately it decreases their productivity, and at the end the organization will suffer because of this. Then they have to give the job security. The employers are required to maintain a job security for pregnant employees and provide the necessary accommodations to ensure the safety and well-being. Then the organization can provide the pregnant employees healthcare benefits. So pregnant employees have the right to healthcare benefits and reasonable time off for parental appointments. So what are that maternity leave entitlements? So earlier it was 12 weeks, but recently it has been revised to 26 weeks of standard maternity leave. So most maternity laws provide 26 weeks of standard maternity leave, ensuring that the new mother have time to recover and create a beautiful bond with their newborn. There are paid leaves as well, right? That is for the compensation, they get the paid leave as well. Some jurisdictions offer paid maternity leave, supporting new mothers financially during their time off from work. So what is the paternity leave and the shared parental leave? Paternity leave, a father is also entitled to have a certain period of leave to create the bond with their new child and to support their partner, right? So for that, the fathers are entitled to a period of paternity leaves to support their partners and bond with their new child. Then we have shared parental leave. Some jurisdiction or some organizations offer shared parental leaves, allowing couple to jointly manage and divide the period of leave, allowing the birth or adoption of a child. That means here the couple is given the shared parental leave. That means according to their policy, they both can take leaves at a different time to support or to support their newborn or the adopted child. What are the benefits of shared leaves? The shared parental leaves promote gender equality in parenting roles, right? And provide flexibility for families to meet their individual needs. The best part of the shared parental leave is it promotes the equality. that it promotes the gender equality. It's not that a mother is only responsible to take care of their new child, right? The father or the partner is equally responsible to take care of their newborn baby. So what are the workplace accommodation for a pregnant employer can do? First is accessible facilities. That means a pregnant woman having require little more accommodation, right? The employers should provide accessible facilities and make reasonable adjustment to ensure the safe and supportive environment to the pregnant employee, right? Then flexible working arrangement. That means a pregnant employee may require a flexible work schedule or remote work option to manage their health and work responsibility effectively, right? So accessible facilities, flexible working arrangement, and the health and safety measures. That means the employers need to assess and mitigate the workplace risk to safeguard the health and well-being of the pregnant employee. These are three things an employer can do for the pregnant employee in the organizations. There is a rule or there is a law to give the protection to the employers or to the employees, pregnant employees, from the discrimination and harassment. So what are the legal remedies? What are the preventive measures? What are the supportive environment an organization or an employer can create for the pregnant employee? Legal remedies. Pregnant employees have legal resource if they experience discrimination or harassment based on their pregnancy status, right? Preventive measures. What? The employer can take the preventive measures against the discrimination and harassment protection. Employers should implement policies and training to prevent discrimination and harassment against pregnant employee. So the supportive environment an employer can create. So pregnant women or pregnant employees should feel supported and valued in their workplace, free from any form of mistreatment, because they are also working for the organization. They are having a effectiveness or a productiveness, so they are working for the organization. We should not, or a organization or an employer should not make them feel that they are discriminated from the other employee. So what are the maternity leave, as well as while returning from the maternity leave to work is also challenging for the employee. So what an employer or the organization can provide an employee who leaves or who return to the work after maternity leave? First one is transition process. Obviously, the employee is having some going through changes in emotions. So employers should facilitate a smooth transition back to work, including flexible return to work arrangement and supportive some reintegration program, right? Childcare support. Employers can provide childcare support or assistance programs to ease the challenges of coming back to work after maternity leave. Some organization already providing the crèche system, right, where they can keep their newborn baby for the working hour, right? Then mental health services. So it access to mental health services can be crucial for new parental returning to the work. Ensuring their emotional well-being is supported, because they are coming to the work after having a maternity leave, and already, as I discussed, there is change in the emotions are there, right? We are emotionally connected to our child, to our newborn baby, his or her responsibility and all. So it impact our mental health. So organization need to take care of the mental health or mental well-being of the employee who returns to work after maternity leave. So what are the resources or support of working parents are there in the organization? First is parental support groups. So connect with other parents through support groups can provide valuable advice and encouragement for managing work and family life. Family friend policies, obviously. Organization can implement family friend policies such that the flexible work hour and parental leave can ensure a supportive work environment. Childcare services as well. Assess the high quality and affordable childcare services can significantly ease the challenge of working